Most people think they know about crabgrass, but I'm here to tell you, most people are wrong. It's a big misconception. Let's give you the 101 on crabgrass and how to deal with it. This is crabgrass. For those of you who know zero about grass and zero about weeds, here is the flat out most simple way to tell if you have crabgrass. If it's growing in the spring, it is not crabgrass, okay? Crabgrass is an annual weed, meaning it dies every winter and does not come back the following year. What does come back, if you notice this time of year, crabgrass has tons of seeds right now. These seeds will germinate, but they won't germinate until summer of next year. But Travis, it's not spring. I get it. So here's how you can identify it right now. First things first, look at the way it grows. Crabgrass typically grows very low to the ground and spreads laterally, unlike most grass that grows upright. Number two, take a look at these seeds that we talked about. They're going to be really skinny and really long, and these are usually a fall time thing. And third, take a look at the leaves, take a look at the stalk. You will see fuzzy hairs along the stalk and sometimes on the leaves as well. Also on these leaves, it's going to be really wide at the middle, coming to a fine point at the tip. As it gets older, you're going to notice purplish tints, purplish colors right around the middle. That's also a giveaway it's crabgrass. So if you have crabgrass, here's the two things you need to do right now. First thing, when mowing your lawn, start bagging the clippings. You do not want to spread these seeds everywhere, otherwise you'll have crabgrass all over the place next summer. And number two, get yourself some weed control that has quinclorac in it. That will kill your crabgrass. Simply spray the leaf of the grass, wait a few days before mowing or pulling the grass out. You might have to do this a couple of times, a couple of weeks apart, but you will get it under control. Go ahead and hit that follow button so you can get more yard tips.